What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Let's start off with the very first article. CNBC, you know it's very reputable, very legit. New batch of $1,400 fourth stimulus checks include plus up payments and first time stimulus check payments, bringing the total number of payments to 165 million checks worth about $388 billion. This round includes nearly 1 million payments totaling more than $1.8 billion. Most of the checks were actually triggered new weekly processed federal tax returns. Again, contact the IRS if you've yet to receive a stimulus check. Then we have this article right here. Cities and towns are about to get $65 billion in stimulus from Washington. Here's what to know about American Rescue Plan. If you didn't know, I talked about this over 2 weeks ago. Joe Biden said he was going to do 2 stimulus packages worth literally billions, if not trillions of dollars combined together. And finally, it looks like it's finally coming to fruition, and everything I said did come true. There's $65 billion in stimulus from Washington. Here's what you want to know. Basically, to quickly summarize what's going to happen is something new that's never been done before. Joe Biden is going to give the money to, mayors, states, guys, specific states, and then your mayor actually has the right to choose who's eligible to receive, who's going to receive it, how much you're going to receive. So before, what they did the last 3 stimulus check packages, give the money directly to, the American people. They're going to give the money straight to your bank accounts, which is very, very, optimal. In my personal opinion, that's a much better plan, because depending on what state you live in, maybe they might have different rules so you don't qualify. Maybe they might change the requirement how much money you make. Maybe, some people will get less. Maybe you might not get any of all, right? You might not get anything. There's a lot of speculations and rumors going on right now. It's actually who's qualified, what state's going to get money, what state is not, how much you're going to get, a bunch of different rules and regulations, differing from state to state. But I want to let you know that $65 billion is coming in stimulus from Washington, from Joe Biden's American Rescue Plan. And this article is CNBC, very reputable. A new batch of $1,400 stimulus checks includes plus up payments. Again, I do have to, legally advise you to contact the IRS directly, because they sent me something physically in the mail, an envelope saying I'm not, legally obligated. I can't give any tax information. I didn't go to school to be a tax accountant. I want to take 2 seconds out this video to really quickly let you know that every single day I upload daily videos. Check my channel daily. Not only do I upload daily videos, every single video and every single day I give away free money, free Amazon gift cards. I'm giving away over $23,000. Over 1,600 people have received free gift cards. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is you must hit that like button, you must hit that subscribe button and comment emoji. Every single day, daily, in every single video I pick a winner, I give away free money. So again, hit that like, be subscribed, comment emoji, and come back tomorrow. When this video hits 500 likes, I'll be picking a winner from this comment section. Now let's get back, let's summarize. Basically, CNBS is saying a new batch of $1,400 stimulus checks, allegedly, I have to say the word alleged. Other YouTubers are lying and saying 100% confirmed. No, they're 100% manipulating you and lying to your face. Nothing has been confirmed yet. The only thing that 100% has been confirmed is, American Rescue Plan, and Biden said there's going to be 2 stimulus packages, but I talked about this. Now we have right here Market Watch, very credible, as well as CNBC, very, very legitimate, trustworthy sources and news articles talking about Joe Biden 100% confirmed 4th stimulus package, and allegedly a new batch of $1,400 stimulus checks include plus up payments and first time payments. But I'm not able to give one-on-one information. I can't help guide you. If you have any questions, I'm told, I'm actually guided from the IRS to tell you to contact the IRS directly. Go on the IRS website, call them, email them, do whatever you have to do. But that's pretty much it, guys. Please hit that like, be subscribed, comment, check out my videos every single day. Go to my channel daily. Even if you see I didn't post a video, I post every single day. And finally, if you do want to support me, if you do want to become a member, hit this white join button on my channel. It only costs 99 cents. For less than $1, you get a diamond next name that changes colors. You get members only emojis. You get members only content, members only community tab, exclusive videos, live streams, giveaways, emojis, a bunch of cool things. Diamond next your name. It all costs 99 cents. And the best part of all, every single penny, guys, every single cent, it all goes to giving someone else money. It all goes back to help someone else in need. All the money goes into a fund which I use to continue doing these daily giveaways. So again, hit that like, be subscribed, share this on social media. If you have literally less than $1, hit this white join button. Daily videos, daily giveaways. That's it for today, everyone. Have a great day. Peace.